Right now at noon, tracking Ian. It's now a hurricane and expected to strengthen throughout the day. The west coast of Florida on alert with a hurricane watch issued for several areas, including Tampa Bay.
And preparations are underway throughout the state, with Ian expected to stay a hurricane when it makes landfall this week. We also have new images just into our newsroom as Hurricane Ian moves near the Cayman Islands at this hour, bringing heavy rains and strong winds. And we have team coverage at noon on Ian.
Let's start with Weather Authority meteorologist Luke Doris. Luke, how are things looking right now?
Okay, well, we'll start with what we have. We just had a new updated advisory in Cone at 11 a.m. from the Hurricane Center. All right, so winds up here at 80 miles per hour. Now, at 5 o'clock yesterday, this was a 45-mile-per-hour tropical storm. So it has rapidly intensified. Pressure's down a little bit, moving northwest at 13 miles per hour. Here's Grand Cayman, so they've been lashed by it today, and it's getting an eye wall trying to go. It's got about a half of an eye wall, but still an organizing system. It's a Cat 1 again, but by later on today or tonight, could be a Cat 3. I'll show you the forecast here in a second. The reason why it's strengthening so much is because it's got ideal conditions. Some of the warmest and deepest water in the Atlantic basin's right here, right where Ian is, and then the upper level atmosphere is very conducive as well. So you put it all together, and the forecast calls for a storm to be Category 3. This is by tomorrow morning, 120-mile-per-hour storm as it passes over the western tip of Cuba, strengthening further once it's in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico, probably at about peak strength, about the latitude as it gets parallel with the lower Keys. That's a 140-mile-per-hour storm by Tuesday evening, by tomorrow evening. Now, even though the center of the storm, which is what the cone tells us, is well away from the Keys, it's going to be a pretty large storm and have a broad tropical storm force wind field. That's what I'm showing you here in yellow. That's 40-plus mile-per-hour winds, and they'll feel that in the lower Keys, maybe even in the middle Keys. That will start by tomorrow afternoon, most likely, and then lift out probably not until Wednesday afternoon. So if you're in the Keys and you're getting your boat taken care of or whatever, you need to do that today. You won't have time tomorrow. And then at eyes, look at the western coast of Florida, just taking that as it gets close to them. So we have a tropical storm warning in yellow. That's for the lower Keys and the dry Tortugas. This is new as of today. The middle Keys, you are now under a tropical storm watch. What that means is that finger, that spreading field of tropical storm force winds sustained over 40 miles per hour is possible there. That's a hurricane watch up there in Sarasota and Tampa. Dade and Broward, what are we looking at here? This is fringe effects for us. This is going to be gusty downpours, and they'll be pretty gusty at times, 35, 40 mile per hour wind gusts with that. But rain is the primary threat. We're going to have, potentially big, heavy feeder bands coming over the top of us. 3 to 6 inches, and flooding will be that. Where it's a major concern is on the west coast of Florida. All right, so a couple scenarios here. You can see the forecast is still, it's a Cat 3, and it could, if it took the right side of the cone, make a landfall somewhere near Fort Myers as a 120-mile-per-hour Category 3 storm. Notice that would be on Wednesday. If it were to take the left side of the cone, a landfall wouldn't take place until Friday. That's days difference, and it also weakens significantly as it goes further north because of hostile upper-level winds. All right, so you can see how it goes down from a 3 to a 2, and then maybe even a tropical storm if it were to go all the way up north into the Panhandle. So the concern here, and the forecast is that as it tracks up this way, it either makes landfall as a powerful hurricane, or if it stays just offshore of Tampa, it's still going to be driving a lot of storm surge. And this is a vulnerable area for storm surge, highly vulnerable. So it just sits here very slowly and pushes that up Tampa Bay. So that's a big threat there. They could see 5 to 10 feet of storm surge in Tampa Bay. In the lower Keys, 2 to 4 feet of storm surge is possible. Actually, through the entire Keys, we do have a storm surge watch. For Miami-Dade and Broward, it's a coastal flood advisory. We have the king tides that began today. They'll go through this week, and they will be made a little bit worse because we have a hurricane offshore, and it's going to be driving onshore flow. So that's something else that we'll be watching. Again, the primary threat for Miami-Dade and Broward is heavy rain, gusty downpours as we go through the next couple of days. It's going to be kind of rough at times, and we'll take a closer look at all of that. I'm going to show you all the future radar. That's in a few minutes.